이런 표현들 하나라도 알고 있으면 해외 호텔에서 훨씬 편하게 지낼 수 있어요. Hi, it's room 1204. Can you bring some more toilet paper, please? Can you bring some more toilet paper, please? Yeah, the bathroom light is out. The bathroom light is out. Could you send someone to fix it, please? I think I left something in the lobby. I think I left something in the lobby. Could you check for me, please? Do you have umbrellas we can borrow? Do you have umbrellas we can borrow? What time does the breakfast open? What time does the breakfast open? Hi, can I get a table for two? Can I get a table for two? 7 p.m. tonight. Thank you. Do you offer the airport shuttle service? Do you offer airport shuttle service? Hi, do you have any tour recommendations? Do you have any tour recommendations?